Okay, ninjas, so once we have Java installed on our computer, we're going to install Minecraft on our computer. So we're going to, on the Padlet, scroll down under this first column, go to the Minecraft download link, and click Download Launcher for Windows 10/11. That'll download this folder, this file into our downloads. So we're going to open up our folder, open up our downloads, and then we can open up this Minecraft installer application. You can go ahead and accept the terms. This is just for Microsoft, and it should automatically log you in. If you're already logged into a Microsoft account for the Windows Store on the computer you're playing on, it should automatically log you in through that. So you can click Let's Go. It'll take a moment to download and update the Minecraft launcher. And then this window will open up on your computer while it's loading. And so you'll get to this screen. So you'll want to double check and see if you own Minecraft Java Edition. So to do that, you're going to go click on here where it says Minecraft Java Edition on the left-hand side of your screen in the Minecraft launcher. And if it says play, that means you own Minecraft Java Edition. If it says something like buy, go ahead and click buy, and you can ask your parents to get Minecraft for you, or you could ask for it for your birthday or something. Or if you need to log in to your Minecraft, to your Microsoft account, sorry, that's your Microsoft account, you might need to log into that to, if you already own Minecraft Java Edition on a different Microsoft account. So at this point, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go ahead and close the Minecraft launcher before our next step.